Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we got a large company here, CAC 2000 Limited, declaring a dividend. It's a good one. CAC 2000, the air conditioning company, plus a lot of other things, engineering for that space. Dividend payment here, 3.5 cents Jamaican per share. It's going to be paid May 16th, 2022. Now, Kingston Properties Limited, better known as KPRIT, that's their ticker symbol on the JSE, announcing a major corporate restructuring here. KPRIT advisory to the market, strategic reorganization of the group structure. KPRIT transferring 100% of its shareholdings in Kingston Properties St. Lucia Limited, January 4th, earlier this year, to its wholly owned subsidiary, KPRIT St. Lucia Limited, which was incorporated in St. Lucia late last year, December 29th, 2021. Now, Blue Power Group, more earnings reports coming out here. A weaker third quarter, numbers declining, let's say in revenue and so forth. Year to date, the numbers look better, but some extraordinary gains in there. We're going to talk about that. BPO, ticker symbol, had a lower third quarter overall based on weaker than expected revenues and a higher cost of revenue. A double whammy hitting them there in the third quarter. Now, the revenue declined 135 million Jamaican, while the cost of revenue grew to 102 million Jamaican. That's what you don't want to see. Revenue going down, cost of revenue going up, and resulting in $77 million. Now, the result there year over year is gross profit fell by more than half. Not something you want to see. GP margin, let's say gross profit. Earnings per share EPS for the quarter was 2 cents versus 6 cents year over year. That's the decline we're talking about. Now, the year to date 9 months shows robust net profit, 204 million. However, 145 million is from a gain on disposal of investment property. Let's say that doesn't repeat itself, or doesn't happen again. And 55 million of that is other income. So that's what's happening in 9 months results or the year to date. Now, overseas markets, global markets, commodities continuing to soar, driven by the whole Ukraine conflict. Oil, 130, well over 130, went even higher, retreating a little bit. Wheat, something like all-time highs, going up there. We use wheat in so much or everything. Nickel soaring as well. Gold over $2,000 per ounce, 2050. Nickel doubling, triple, creating halt on the LME. So that's a concern as well too. Now, cryptocurrency market. Biden passing also this morning the midweek Wednesday executive order in the whole cryptocurrency market. Now, despite this, Bitcoin up 8% or more despite what's happening there. Now, some key points on what the US President Biden has passed there, and see 6 key areas overall. But the whole thing here is to examine, the pros, the cons, the benefits of the cryptocurrency market overall. So not just Bitcoin, but the overall market. Now, the goal is for his administration to explore a digital version of the dollar as well. And some of the 6 key areas range from financial stability, consumer and investor protection, illicit activity, financial inclusion, responsible innovation to US competitiveness on a global stage. Interesting times ahead, for the world as well as for the stock markets. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.